If you're sick, do you go to work or do you stay at home? Listen to this conversation and learn how to use the zero conditional.
Hi, Anne. Do you want to see a movie with me tonight?
I'm sorry, but I can't. I'm feeling really sick.
I'm sorry to hear that. Did you go to work today?
I didn't. If I'm sick, I usually don't go to work.
What are your symptoms?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
If my throat hurts, I always drink tea. You should try that.
That's a good idea. I'm also going to sleep a lot. If I have a headache, that always makes me feel better. We use zero conditional sentences to talk about real conditions and results. Specifically, we use them to express truths or habits. In these sentences, there is a conditional clause that starts with if and a result clause. We use the simple present tense in both clauses. If I am sick, I go to the doctor. If you take medicine, you feel better. If you're sick, what do you usually do? This is American English. Thank you for watching.